In this video, I am about to show you how to correctly prompt for images in Leonardo.Ai. First, open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Now search for Leonardo.Ai in the search bar. Then click on the first link that appears in the search results. Here, tap on Get Started. Now continue by signing in with your Google account. Next, choose the account you want to use and tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue with Google again to confirm. Once you're inside Leonardo.Ai, tap on Image Creation. Now enter a username of your choice. After that, select your interest from the options provided. Next, tap on Next. Then choose the role that best describes you, whether you're an enthusiast, professional, developer, or other. Now tap on Done. Here you'll need to accept the terms of service by tapping on Accept. Then tap Next multiple times to go through some introductory screens. Now comes the key part, typing a prompt. In the text box, describe the image you want in detail. Be clear and specific with your prompt for better results. Finally, tap on Create. After a few moments, you'll see that your image has been generated and is ready to view. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.